Hi, if you are working in Azure Machine Learning Studio, then at some time you may have noticed that there are some requirements that are necessary to fulfill. Like here I am working with a free workspace, and with this free workspace, if I would like to import some data from my on-premises, then let's see what it say. If I click on premises and try to add a new data gateway, it will tell me that accessing your on-premises database feature is not available for free tier. So here I have to upgrade to standard tier to access data from this. So this is the requirement, and this is a situation when we will move from free tier to the standard tier. So here I will demonstrate you that how we can create a standard machine learning studio workspace in Azure. For this, you have to go to your Azure portal. Inside this Azure portal, I will click on add, and inside the add I will take machine learning. So there are some machine learning services, but to create workspace I will select machine learning studio workspace and click on the create. Here I can provide the workspace name. I can give it a name, let's say text, or we can create this in already existing resource group or can create a new resource group. So here I will create a new resource group to manage it well, and can change the location as well, but for the time being South Central US is good for me. And here I will I have only one option to select the standard because I'm upgrading from the free tier. And to store the created models and uploaded data and log information, it is necessary to create a storage account. So it will automatically create a storage account. And for the web service plan, I have option, like it has already provided a name for this, but here red label is telling that I have to select a web service plan. So I will click on this web service plan. To select the web service plan, I will click on this button and it will let me to choose any of these. For the time being I'm okay with the DevTest standard, but for your use you can select any of these. And these are different service plan for different transactions and compute hours. So whatever your requirement is, you can select accordingly. I have selected the free tier. And one important thing, that for standard workspace, what will be the cost? So to see the cost, I can go to the price calculator. You can easily find the Azure calculator on the Google, and here you can type the machine learning studio. So inside the machine learning studio you can click on that, and here you can see the workspace available, and you can also select the different regions. For the free tier there isn't any charges, but you can see the limited ability to upload only up to 10 GB of data. But for the standard version, if you are going to allocate a single seat, it will take almost $10 per month. And whatever will be the usage in number of experiment hours. Let's say if you have done 10 hours experimentation, then it will take $10, and in total in 1 month it will be almost $20. So this experimental hours are basically the time you are running your experiment on Workspace. So this is a very good calculator, or the price calculator for planning. So if I will click on this create, it will start deploying the Workspace. So I will pause the video till it creates. You can see that deployment is in progress, and you can come to here by clicking this one. The deployment is in progress. Deployment has been successfully completed. I can go to the resource to see newly created services. Here is okay. So now I will go back to my studio and we'll see that whether I have the option of the standard one, and for this one I will refresh it. Now you can see I have another option added with the name of Algotex. This is the standard workspace, and I can click on that. This is basically a brand new workspace where I can start my experimentation, can upload new data sets, and here just quickly going to create on the blank experimentation. And if I go to the import as previous, and here I'm willing to import on premises and try to add. Now you can see it's allowing me to do some activities on that. So this was all about creating the standard Microsoft Azure machine learning workspace. Thank you for watching this tutorial.